Police Giri is a project with Mr. Sanjay Dutt really believed in also, and he really gave his 200% to make this product where it is today. And we're just here to make sure that whatever he envisioned for the film, we deliver it. Yeah, Mr. Dutt himself actually chose the film, Sami, and we were anyway in conversation with him, and he said, this is a movie which I've seen, let's do the remake of that. So he said, okay. Super, Prachi, even today, like she has, been there to support us for the entire promotion. Mr. Ravi Kumar is a gentleman to work with. Sometimes you don't even feel that, I've worked with a lot of other directors, but when you work with such a senior director like Mr. Ravi Kumar, he's done more than 40 films with, I think, lots around 8-10 movies with Mr. Rajnikant, 8-10 movies with Mr. Kamal Hassan. He's worked with the biggest superstars of the country, and when you see such a humble man, and he is very clear in his vision, there is not a single minute of doubt on sets. So a pleasure working with him. Nothing was changed. Everything was kept the same because after the verdict, couple of days of shoot was left, and there was even an extra song which was supposed to be shot. And when I told Mr. Dutt, that he doesn't have to shoot for the extra song, he said, "When I'm giving you dates, what is your problem? Because for this film, I'm more of a producer than you are. So when you know that your actor supports you so well, you can only give a great product." Then I think it's a very rhetorical question. How would anyone be, at a time like that? For me, I'm just not his producer. I've always been, he's like my elder brother. So, it breaks your heart to see what the man is going through. And right now, also standing here, it's just a feeling of being incomplete. That right now it should have been here, him talking instead of me. Prachi, she's going to hold the torch for Police Giri, and whatever she's told us that she will give as many dates, whatever, wherever we want to take her, she'll be there, and together we're going to request the audience to come and see what we all believed in. No, 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 no. Yeah, I've not. I've kept this film away from any bad luck. I might have been good, but it wasn't good at the box office. After this, let's see, but I can guarantee you one thing: the day Mr. Dutt comes back, the next day he'll be shooting for me.